Hello everybody, Mike Brailsford, Brailsford Works. Thank you for joining me back on my channel. I appreciate it. Today I'm in a t-shirt when Monday I was in a sweatshirt and I had my wood stove going. We have had a 60-degree temperature swing this week. It's crazy. But welcome to North Carolina. Any rate, today a new item I've picked up. I've got myself a laser. I got the X Tools D1. I've just unpacked it. So I have to remove some of the foam. Some of the other things, data wire, some more stuff here. And I'm going to leave that in there. And I'm going to put it together today. And first, before I get really started, I'm going to peruse the manual and I will be back. I know that's a very un-guy-like thing, but I figured with something with this complexity, I better not just wing it. Alright, I've perused the manual, and I've got to a point where I can get this thing started, and I think when I do this, I'm going to change the camera over to time warp, and let you see it that way, because if I do this real time, it'll take forever. Okay, so I'm done assembling it, and I will say that based on what I've seen on YouTube, this one went together fairly pain-free. There's a couple things that were not super clear, though I will say overall, the manual is very good. It's pictographic, and it was pretty on as far as how to assemble things. There was a couple things where the wasn't 100% clear by the pictograph, but it was darn close. So it wasn't anything you couldn't figure out pretty quickly. At any rate, this is it. So now I have to get down to figuring out how to burn something. So let me get into the manual a little further, and I will be back when I'm ready to burn something. All right, I'm back. We're ready to try this out for the first time. I got my son-in-law Marshall with me. He is the Brailsford Works Advanced IT department, and we're gonna try to make this thing burn something. Oh, I'm gonna bump this up to time lapse, and once we get it where we know we can burn something, we'll bring it back down. Okay, so we've done a couple, 3 pieces so far. Here's 2 of them. This was the very first one, and we put it on it's pine, and we put it on half power and speed halfway to what it's capable of, and you can read it, did fine. And then we did this one. This is end grain oak, and that's at 100% power, but at half speed. So we're going to do another one, end grain, that we are going to drop it back down to 95%, and we're going to slow the speed down, and we're going to see what kind of results we get from that. And I will say that so far everything has worked perfect. The software went on nice. When it was uploaded perfectly onto the computer, there was one update it had to do. It only took a few minutes, and it burned right away once we figured out all the doodads. But let me adjust the power down. 95, and we'll take the speed to, what about, process, start, and burn. And this will take, oh, I didn't see how long this one said it would take. Oh, we didn't look at it. The program will give you the amount of time it's supposed to take. This will take, the other ones were taking 3 minutes. I assume since we slowed it down, it'll probably be 3.5 or so. It's not burning yet. It's running through the top of the image that I put, which is white. Now it's hitting the actual image. I took my logo, and once you put it into the program, it gives you a chance. You can change it to grayscale, and that's what I did. The D1 that I bought also came with the rotary attachment. So I've bought mugs in the past, the insulated mugs that had my logo put on them. I'll be able to make those myself now, and I also have a few ideas coming up that I might be able to try to do something on some of my birdhouses. So keep watching. Let's see what I can do with that. So what this does for me is I make end grain cutting boards. It's one of the things I sell at my craft shows. I also have friends who are in business development for different companies who've approached me in the past about making things for them. This gives me an opportunity to expand that. I can make small cutting board, any kind of cutting board they might want to give to clients, and I can put their logo on it. Another thing I'm going to, there's other things that I'm going to start making that I will let you see those too. So more videos of this coming up. Please keep watching. I think that's even better.
Yeah? Ooh, yeah, that does look really nice.
All right, this one came out even better. My logo has never looked this clean. I have a branding iron, and it's always 50-50 whether it'll be legible or not. But this definitely makes it legible. Oh. And I'm going to figure out a way where I can elevate this and put my bowls underneath and put my logo on the bottom of the bowls. But yeah, I'm very pleased with this. All right. Thank you all for watching. Please click like and subscribe. I'd appreciate that. If you have any questions, make comments. I will answer every single one. If you think you've gotten anything out of this, please click like and subscribe. Did I already say that? I may have said it again. All right. Please. Everyone have a great day. Bye-bye.